Yeah, hi. Today we are going to start studying something that might be the concepts from macroeconomics or the concepts from macroeconomics or anything, whatever that might be. So the basically we need to start somewhere. So let's say that in macroeconomics we have consumer theory, producer theory, welfare economics, game theories. These are the like basic things. Most of the questions will be coming from, and a few other topics are like uncertainty. If you cover these things, it's like more than 60 or 70% of economics. Even if you are able to solve the basic problems on cost curves, utility function questions, actually they are the must and should questions, but that's where your focus should be. And from uncertainty, these are the question from insurance. What is the risk averse, lower, and neutral? These three cases and expected values. Now again, expected releases there are two angles here, one from statistical perspective and one from economic perspective and economical. So hello, 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 hello. Hello. So we know a few questions. Let's focus on those questions. Let's start with hmm, the question is, I'll show it on the screen. One more option is be horizontal. The question, as we can read that question. The question is, the question is, the given labor demand and labor supply functions as derived above, which is that derived above. Okay, they are like interconnected. So in order to get the answer for one, we need to do another question. Let's take that question. The question is, the above economy is characterized by a representative household which takes the aggregate price level and the nominal wage rate as given, decides on its consumption and labor supply by maximizing its utility subject to the budget constraint. Basically, yeah, can do this. The household has a total endowment of L units of labor time, of which it supplies L star units to the market and enjoys the rest as leisure. Its utility depends upon its consumption C and leisure L. L is leisure, here is L star minus L. Sorry, L bar minus L star. In which the following way, that is utility is given by CB, sorry, C beta minus L bar L less beta. So beta is in between 0 to 1. The only source of income of the household is the wage income, and it spends its entire wage earning in buying consumption goods at the price P. So wage here is nothing but P. No, at price P and some quantity I can take it as X. So this is how it's going to spend the money. Now what they are asking is, in this economy, the supply of labor as a function of real wage is given by, means W by P is what, means they are asking the quantities. Wage rate is nothing but what? How it's going to spend? It's how much he can afford. Those are the quantities, right? Here we are going to do one thing. The consumption is what? Consumption. C. C is the consumption. C again, C has what? P into X. C nothing but C by P. I can say equals to W by P. W equals to C. But I don't want that one. I want what? I want to write that labor supply. I'll write the labor supply in terms of W by P. Labor supply is what? I need to find that in this given equation. But they have given the utility function here. How am I going to find the labor supply? It's a big question for me.